Let me introduce to you one of the most powerful programs on planet Earth about starting your own food business. I am very, very proud about this RLF coaching program which I have created. And as I have told you, and type 100% in the chat box if you are with me, that if you have loved these 5 days of RLF WhatsApp class, you are going to be blown away by my RLF coaching program. So let me present to you drum rolls. Restaurant launch formula coaching program. This is my whole bundle of the restaurant launch coaching program. How many of you want to know what is in this restaurant launch coaching program? Type me in the chat box. Now, please understand, restaurant means any type of food business. So don't get confused कि only restaurant ही है, food business नहीं है, cloud kitchen नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. Everybody stay with me till the end because I am going to simplify and answer all your questions regarding this. So, which kind of food business does this RLF coaching program cover? Type yes if you want this. Home kitchen, cloud kitchen, small and medium restaurants, highway restaurants, bakeries, coffee shops, food trucks, small outlets, all type of food businesses are covered in this RLF coaching program. Now, who is this RLF coaching program for? I had covered this on day one, but let me revise this for you. If you want to learn about this food business, RLF coaching program is for you. Type yes if you want to learn about this food business. RLF coaching program is for you. If you want to plan a food business in the coming future, RLF coaching program is for you. If you want to start anytime in the future, not necessary now, RLF coaching program is for you. If you are already owning a restaurant business, this is a no-brainer. Even a blind man should go out and you should invest into this. If you are already owning other businesses and want to start a food business, then this RLF coaching program is definitely for you. And if you want to invest in anybody else's business, like your wife, your husband, your uncle, your auntie, your friend, your partnership and all, then this RLF coaching program is definitely for you. Type yes if you are from this category. So here is what all is included in the RLF coaching videos. Who wants to know? Type yes in the chat box. Let's start. So I have pre-recorded all the videos which are covering these topics. Day one is selecting a location. Day two is deciding a concept, choosing the perfect customers, arranging capital for your business. How many people want to raise money? Type yes in the chat box. Paisa, kisko paisa chahiye? How many people want to raise money? We have, I have covered this. Then selecting a property. What should you choose while selecting a property? This is for people who are going to open outlets. If you have a home kitchen, then you don't need to do that. But selecting a property, which kind of licenses are required, how to plan your restaurant, how should be your restaurant, where should be a cash counter, where should be a sit out, everything, how to plan your kitchen. This is useful for home kitchens and cloud kitchens also. Selecting the menu. Type me in the chat box if you want help regarding selecting the menu. Type me in the chat box. How to recruit your staff, where to get good staff from, how to take care of them so that they don't leave you. I have been blessed to have more than 150 people in our team, and they are with us from the past 50 years, from the time my dad had started restaurant. And this is possible because we are doing certain things which I have spoken out in this video, in which if we keep on doing it, they tend to not leave you. And finally, how to promote your food business. Who wants to know how to get more sales by promoting your food business? Type me in the chat box. So the total value of this is 24,000. Now wait, everybody wait. 24,000 is not the cost of my RLF coaching program. Don't worry at all. A lot of time from childhood, we have a habit of checking out a figure and getting a shock, especially when we have limited resources. So I don't want you to get this shock. Type yes in the chat box if you agree to this. Let's say you have 2,000 rupees in our wallet, and if we are going out to buy something, if you want to buy a jeans, if you want to buy a bigger thing, And if you see 3,000 or 4,000, you will immediately get a shock. This shock, this. So we move out in the market after getting a lot of shocks. So I don't want you to get the shocks. I have made this RLF coaching program very, very reasonable. But this 24,000 is the total value of all these videos. Type yes in the chat box if you understand the difference between value and the cost. Value is the total value of the information of all these products, and cost is the money which you are going to, the fee which you are going to give in order to get this coaching program. There is a big difference. So don't get the shock. Just stay with me. This is just a value. So total value of this is 24,000 rupees. So what you're going to get 10 days of RLF coaching videos, and the value of this is 24,000. Then I have all the bonuses for you. Bonus video number 1, I call it as the restaurant profit max. How to manage your food business for optimum profit. What should you look at while choosing, while running your day-to-day activity? What should you focus on? This is a very, very important bonus video. The value of this is 4,000, and you are going to get it absolutely free with the RLF coaching program. Now, bonus video number 2 is cash. How many people want to know how to manage cash in their food business? Type yes in the chat box. How to manage cash, how to pay a vendor, how to, remove money so that you don't fall short of cash at the end of the day. This is a very, very hidden secret of us restaurant owners, and we have a certain way of distributing the money, certain way of doing certain things in the cash counter, which ensure that cash is properly handled. Now, how to supervise cash handling? This is the total value of 4,000, and you're going to get this completely free with the RLF coaching program. Bonus video number 3, I have spoken about the number 1 secret of successful food business owners. What is the number 1 thing which you should have a eagle eye view on, which will make sure that your food business will be as successful as possible? The value of this is 4,000, and it is completely complimentary with your RLF coaching program. Do you want more? I want everybody to type more in the chat box if you want more. I'm feeling like a Santa Claus today. Everybody type more in the chat box. All 60 of you. Yogesh, Vishal, Vijay, Vandana, Vaman, Umar, Thale, Suparna, Sumit, Sudeep, Srijit, Somnadeep, Sharon, Shailesh, Shailaj, Seema, Sanket, Sagar, Sachin, Ramesh, Rajesh, Rahul, Praveen, Pratibha, Pawan, Omna, Narendra, Murgesh, Murti, Mehul, Meda, Manilal, Mandar, Manashi, Kavita, Kartikeyan, Kalind, Jaidin, Imran, Ganesh, Diksha, Charanjit, Chakrapani, Chaitanya, Bharat, Ben, Balasubramanian, Arun, Arti, Amrita, Amit, Arni, Amy, Amal, Ajay, and Abdul. All of you type more in the chat box. Great. So what else do you want? Delivery kitchen, cloud kitchen, dark kitchen, white kitchen, chocolate kitchen. All these are nothing but just a cloud kitchen where you use a mobile app and customer can order from you and you service them. So I have done a deep dive session into how to start, how to create and flourish your own delivery kitchen. The value of this is 4,000, and you are going to get it absolutely free with the RLF coaching program. Now, what else do you want? Money. A lot of times people want to raise loan or raise some capital, but they don't want to mortgage anything. So we hoteliers have a very, very hidden technique of using certain schemes in the certain schemes which we take advantage of, and we get money without mortgaging anything or without giving any collateral. Do you want to know this secret? I have covered this in the video. Type me in the chat box if you want to raise money without mortgaging your house, without mortgaging your gold, without mortgaging LIC, your car, or whatever you have, your FD or something. So, deep dive session number 2, how to raise funds without mortgaging anything. The value of this is 4,000, and you are going to get it absolutely free with the RLF coaching program. Then the last thing is attracting quality staff. The staff magnet. So how many people want to attract and retain super staff so that you become free from the day-to-day operations, and you can focus on expanding your customers or focus on customer relationship. Type me in the chat box. How many people want to be free? So how to attract and retain quality staff, loyal staff in your restaurant. The value of this deep dive session, what I mean by deep dive session is a video in which I've gone deep into it. The value of this is 4,000 and you are going to get it free with the RLF coaching program. Now, the fourth is branding secrets. How to brand your food business for maximum appeal. Type yes in the chat box if you have visited a place in the past years where you go in a place and you are not able to get what that place is. The board is of a different color. The walls are of different color. The cash counter is of a different color. The lighting is of a different color. The menu is of a different color. The staff is wearing a different uniform. You know, the counter on the food is different. The crockery cutlery is of a different color. You get so confused that you just run away from that restaurant. Not because you have had their food, but because the restaurant business or the owner has not done proper branding. So I have covered the branding secrets in detail in this video, and you can go through this video. The value of this is again 4,000, and you are going to get it completely free with the RLF coaching program. Which colors to use, how should be your logo, how should be your uniform, all those things. Yeah. And then how many people want to know how to start a home kitchen? Type yes in the chat box. How many people want to know how to start a home kitchen? I've covered this in a deep dive session. How to start a home kitchen. The value of this is again 4,000 and you're going to get it complimentary with the RLF coaching program. So what our RLF coaching program members get: lifetime access to RLF coaching videos. You will get once you register today, you will get a login ID password for a membership site online where you can log in with your with your email ID and your password. You can watch it on the phone, you can watch it on the tab, you can watch it on the computer, you can watch it. And this is a lifetime access to the RLF coaching videos, lifetime access to the bonus videos, lifetime access to deep dive sessions on delivery, lifetime access to deep dive kitchens on raising funds, deep dive on attracting staff, lifetime access to deep dive on branding secrets, lifetime access to deep dive on setting a home kitchen. Do you want more? Ki bas ho gaya, pet bhar gaya. Type more in the chat box if you want more. Come on, I'm going to give you everything. I'm going to literally blow you away. Each and everybody of you type more in the chat box. जो लोग more नहीं लिखेंगे उनको कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. Those of you who are not writing more in the chat box will not get anything. More. Great. So here is a never before given bonus which I'm going to give you. Type yes in the chat box if you understand that earning money and creating wealth are totally two different skill sets. Type yes if you understand this. You have seen lot of times a lot of business owners. It might be a limbu pani wala, a bhel wala, a bhelpuri wala, or someone who is making you are seeing him for the past 20, 30 years in the same day. He's doing the same thing again and again for the past. He's wearing the same shirt because he doesn't know the power of creating wealth, because it might be because of his knowledge or it might be because he's in his day-to-day activity. So creating wealth, all we are doing over here. Type me in the chat box if you want to be wealthy when you reach a certain age of time. It might be your retirement age. Everybody wants to be wealthy. We are doing this in order to generate wealth. And in our experience, by the time we have generated wealth, we have crores of rupees of property, ample amount of money. That is possible because we have been doing certain things certain way, and we have been removing the money removing the profits from our day-to-day business and investing it. Although this is not a financial advice, but I have given you my personal opinion, and it is called as the wealth creation formula. How restaurant owners create massive wealth. The value of this technically is invaluable, but I have given a value of this. The value is 8,000 and it is complementary. It is totally free with the RLF coaching program. How many people want this awesome bonus with your RLF coaching program? Type me in the chat box. Thalesh wants to be very wealthy. Absolutely. You have to have this because this will teach you how to be, thus like how the financial discipline principle which I had covered, it will teach you how to gradually remove the money and invest it so that you can be really wealthy and you are not just working in your own business. So, but wait, there is more. I will hold your hand till you get there. You know, do you remember? Type yes in the chat box if you remember. On Tuesday, I had finished the session a little early because I wanted to talk to my RLF coaching program members for my mastermind session. Because each Tuesday I come at 8 o'clock. So you will get 3 months support of the RLF coaching program live mastermind sessions. And it is nothing but just I come live at 8 o'clock and I talk with my RLF coaching program. I had also given you a bonus session, a sneak peek, a preview of my RLF mastermind session. Type me in the chat box if you have gone through that, because that is how it is just a one-on-one discussion, but you can spend more time with me and I can really troubleshoot your problems. किधर गाड़ी अटक रही है, क्या problem हो रहा है, what is happening? So that 3 month support, you will get 12 mastermind sessions of question and answer sessions free with this RLF coaching program. The value of this is invaluable, and I come every Tuesday at 8 o'clock, but you will get this free with the RLF coaching program. Then I have created a place called The Vault in your online academy. And in this online, where you are going to get the login ID password, I have collected all the recordings of my past mastermind sessions, and I have put all this thing together, a treasure of all the mastermind video sessions, recordings where hundreds of people have asked me different questions from different levels. Some of them are hotel owners, some of them are restaurant owners, some of them are home kitchen owners, some of them are cloud kitchen owners. Everybody is asking me different questions and I'm answering them. I've collected everything together and I've put it in a vault. The value of this is invaluable. Do you want this free with the RLF coaching program? Type me in the chat box. Khalesh, there are more than 150 people in my RLF coaching program. Out of that, around 40-50 people come every day live, every week live. Okay, thank you. You will get it. So type yes in the chat box if you want to get rid of these problems. If you want to get rid of fear of failing in this business, if you want to get rid of lack of money in this business, if you are worried about whether it will be successful or not, type yes in the chat box. If you want to get rid of the fact that you don't have knowledge in the field, if you want to get rid of how to get good staff in this business, if you are worried that it is COVID time, how can I be successful in this business, type yes. If you want to plan your menu, staff your menu and run a successful food business, if you want to plan your kitchen the right way, if you are lacking experience and you want somebody to help you out with this, type yes. If you want all of this, and if you want to get rid of these fears, then the RLF coaching program is for you. So here is what you are going to get. 10 days of RLF coaching videos worth 24,000, 3 bonus training videos worth 12,000, 4 deep dive sessions worth 20,000, wealth creation formula worth 8,000 rupees, weekly mastermind sessions which are invaluable, vault video recordings which are invaluable. The total value of this is 64,000. Everybody following this? This is a value, by the way. This is not the cost of my program. Type yes if you are following this. Isn't it cool? Type yes in the chat box. Please don't worry. 64,000 is not the cost of my RLF coaching program. I don't intend to take such a big check from each and everybody of you. So let me ask you, thank you so much for typing yes, everybody. Let me ask you a question. If this coaching program, all it did was, it helped you understand the food business, so someday you can open a successful food business of your own, would it be worth it? Type yes if it would be worth to understand the skill set and go out there and open a successful food business. If you are on the way of opening your food business and it helps you in saving lakhs of rupees of planning or your restaurant, would it be worth it? Type yes. And if it gives you the ability to create plan B, like for example, you are doing a job, it is Corona time, situation is very dicey, or if you're owning a business, you are not making the kind of sales you used to make earlier, and it would be very good for you to have a plan B where you can open a successful business and get some cash out of it, so that you cannot rely on this primary source of revenue? Would it be worth it? Type yes in the chat box. And finally, if you are able to open a food business of your own and it is earning around thousands of rupees in a day, would it be worth it? Everybody type yes if you feel that investing in this would be worth it. So let me ask you this final question before I go and I reveal the price of my RLF coaching program. What is one successful food business worth to you? Imagine that food business is earning 50,000 rupees profits per month, 1 lakh rupees profit per month, 3 lakh rupees profit per month. How much would you pay to own a profitable business? I want everybody to put your figure in the chat box. If that business is earning 1 lakh rupees per month of profit, what would be your, how much would you pay to own that food business? I want everybody, and whatever the figure is, you don't have to worry. Nobody is going to report you to the income tax officer. So don't worry about that. I want everybody to put their figure. How much would you pay to earn a food business which is earning 12 lakh rupees in a year or 1 lakh rupees in a month? Imran is saying 20 to 25 lakhs. Good answer. Very good answer. Everybody else? Where are you guys? Where are your figures? Can't count in money for valuable suggestions. 1 lakh per month. Okay. 15 lakhs. 1 lakh to 20 lakh. 10 to 15 lakhs. Okay. Good. So that is a very, very good answer. 5 to 10 lakhs. I have paid 23 lakhs. Ajay is saying, yeah, absolutely. Chaitanya is saying 1 lakh. Ajay is invested in his Yevle Chai. Shailaji is saying 30 lakhs. Chakrapani is saying, Bala Subramanian is saying 20 lakhs. Awesome. Awesome. I love everybody's answers. 18 to 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs. Knowledge is invaluable. Okay. So you guys can see, type yes in the chat box if you agree, that you can see why all the people who have put the money is above the 64,000, which I am, which the value of my RLF coaching program is. But I am not going to charge you that much because you have spent 5 days learning with me on the WhatsApp class, because you have spent time watching this training. And I want everybody to learn and open a successful food business, because you guys know my mission. Type yes in the chat box if you know my mission. My mission is to create 1 million successful restaurant owners or food business owners all across the world in coming 10 years. That is my mission. And I'm telling you about my mission from day one. So here is what you are going to get in the RLF coaching program. 10 days of RLF coaching videos. Now I'm going to reveal my price. Everybody type me in the chat box if you're interested about the price. 10 days of RLF coaching videos worth 24,000. 3 bonus training videos worth 12,000. 5 deep dive sessions worth 20,000. A wealth creation formula worth 8,000. Weekly mastermind session, which is invaluable. The vault, the video recording, which is invaluable. The total value of this is 64,000. But I'm not going to charge you 64,000, not even 60, not 50, not 40. Type me in the chat box if you want the real value of this. And this is only available for people who are taking action today, because I know, and you know me, I have always appreciated people who take action. So the people who will really take action are going to save a hell lot and are going to get a lot of bonuses. So not 60, not 50, not 40, not 35, not 30, not 25,000, not 20,000, not 15,000, not even 13, not even 12, not even 11, not even 10, not even 9. You can sign up today for this RLF coaching program. Join today only for 7,999. Now, let me tell you, I will give you this, the link of signing up, but let me give you what is all included. Lifetime access to all the training videos, lifetime access to all the PDF presentations, lifetime access to all the 3 bonus videos, lifetime access to 5 deep dive videos, lifetime access to wealth creation formula training, and 3 months of RLF mastermind session. Do you want more? Type more in the chat box if you want more. I have some cool bonuses for people who are going to take action today. All the people who want to take action today in the coming 15 months, I am going to blow you away by the cool bonuses which I have in store for you. You are going to thank, you are going to thank your luck that you have come at this right time, at this right place, because these bonuses are not available everywhere. So, you know, I have always appreciated action takers. Type yes in the chat box. When you took action on the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, I have always congratulated you. I have always taken action because you are the guys who are really going to make it possible, not the people who are, making excuses, not the people who are coming up with something, ye nahi hoega, wo nahi hoega, time nahi hai, ye nahi hai. You have gone ahead because you really believe in your purpose. You really believe in your dream, and you have most chances to make it true as far as the success is concerned. So I deeply believe action takers are finally the people who achieve result. So only for the people who are signing up for this RLF coaching program tonight, I have 3 fast action bonuses for you. The first is I have this audio course called Restaurant Starter Kit. It is an audio course. The value of this audio course is 5,000 rupees. You are going to get it free if you sign up for this RLF coaching program in the coming 15 months. How many coming 15 minutes? How many people want this cool bonus? Type me in the chat box. How to start your food business. It's an audio program. Thank you so much, everybody. Now, the second bonus is Restaurant Secrets ebook. How to open a successful restaurant even if you don't have. This is my famous ebook, which a lot of people have bought. More than 500 people have bought it. The total value of this is 500, and I'm going to give it complimentary. But here is an invaluable bonus, which you are really going to love and you are going to blow away. I am going to give you lifetime access to the mastermind sessions. Everybody type wow in the chat box. Till you are alive or till I am alive. जब तक आप जिंदा है या जब तक मैं जिंदा हूं, each Tuesday or any day in the future, each Tuesday at 8 o'clock or whatever the time is in the future, I will come live in front of you and we will talk about the food business and what is stopping you from taking action. Earlier, this was a 3-month thing for people, but if you are signing within the 15 minutes, so this is one thing which you will never get in any other courses which are being sold in the marketplace, because people just want to give knowledge and run away. I am not of that kind. I love you guys. You can see the passion with which I deliver because I really care about you. So I am going to stay with you for lifetime. Type wow in the chat box if you really love this. And if you want this bonus, type wow in the chat box. No, wait, I am going to